Friends, hello! I hope you all are doing well. Let's talk about First Republic stock. FRC, ticker for this. So friends, it is Tuesday. Man, it has been since the weekend, honestly. We've seen a lot of things break here. Today, Trump, our former president, is trying not to go to the pin. Dogecoin's been going freaking crazy. I'm not even getting into that topic. Yesterday, we had a really good day in the market, and then today, it has just lost everything it gained yesterday. So there's no doubt that things are going to continue to get a little crazy here with the stock market. So friends, First Republic Bank here, I dare say we're doing pretty good. We're doing pretty good. We're seeing good numbers right now. Yesterday we had a pretty good day with First Republic here. We saw it trying to get to a $15 mark, and hey, it looked like it was almost going to make it, and then it just fell short. Today, I think a lot of us saw this coming. It was a huge sell day and the stock plummeted. Now, I shouldn't maybe say the word plummet. I mean, honestly, we're still up. When you look at the compare numbers for the past 2 weeks, we're actually doing better. We're holding ground and we're moving up here. So closing today at, we'll call it at a 1380. Not terrible, not terrible. For the overall Dow, S&P, and NASDAQ being trashed today, it was okay. It wasn't too much of a bloodbath with a lot of things here. I think the majority of people, we've kind of figured out what we're doing here with First Republic here. I think a lot of people, like, obviously, we're going to buy on Friday around 3 o'clock, get that buy-in because every Friday it's been ending pretty rough. Mondays, we see a big shoot up. People sell off during the end of the day, going into Tuesday, and then from what we've seen, Tuesday through Thursday, we're playing around a 13 to a 14, maybe hitting a 12 high somewhere in there. That's kind of been the story of this stock so far here for the past a couple weeks. The question is how much longer can this keep up with the short selling that's going on here? Is it doing more damage than it's actually doing good? Because we can't get into a 15, we can't get into a 16, 17. We're not even talking about a $20 zone here. Yesterday was a big day for the stock. I mean, it was traded heavily yesterday. So we saw a bigger push last week with volume, but this week we're starting to see a little more a bigger dollar sign come out here so far. And like I said, what we've been watching here, tomorrow we'll probably straighten back out and we'll see this swing back into a 14, 14.45, 14.50, maybe play around, right at 14. Who knows? We could see it swing to a 15 tomorrow. It just depends what kind of volume we're seeing. Today, with bringing such mass sell-off, I couldn't imagine tomorrow being another terrible day in the market. Right now, so far this year, we're kind of getting back, obviously not into a bull market, but we're a lot better than we were of last year. Like last year, our bear market we were dealing with was like bad day after bad day after bad day after bad day. Right now, we're seeing the market kind of straighten itself out from here to there, from a Tuesday to a Thursday. So that's why I expect tomorrow to be a green day. So if you bought in today around the, this 1380, it fell to a 1360 at one point. You're probably going to see a little bit of profit tomorrow. So friends, the main golden question here, obviously, this is a situation where you're going to need to be here for a while. I think the majority of people here are obviously short selling. They're buying in at a certain point, then they're selling off, and they're just repeating the situation. They're probably going to keep doing this. I know a lot of you are going to keep doing this. I've done it a few times. I mean, I'll be honest. I mean, I've taken major profit on it, and I've just thrown it right back into it. And I did buy a little Tesla with it, I'm not gonna lie. But right now, the majority of all these bake analysts, stock analysts, their main thing, what they're saying right now, the paradox of what's going on right now is that they don't know. They don't know how much longer this is going to last. There's a lot of people out there right now that are saying that, like, this is going to get worse. That they do think there is an economic crisis coming and that we're going to see a lot of our bank stocks fall apart even more and that this is really nothing right now. And then there's a few saying, hey, things are looking okay. I think we're going to see a bull market going into next year. And I think the majority of us are hoping for a bull market because we're locked and loaded and ready to go here. I mean, thank God I saved my 20,000 Dogecoins. I had a nice little weekend. So friends, hey, I'm still here with you. I'm still pulling money in and out of this stock, keeping a little bit in there, but I am doing a little bit of short trading right now. It's so easy. Why not? It's so easy making money off of it and putting it right back into it. And you know what? That's what keeps it alive too. You know, obviously there's going to come a minute, there's going to come a day where we're going to have to sit in this and watch it. If this gets to a $16, $17 bid price, I think that's going to be like the, okay, well, we're getting more momentum. We're at this price point right now. More than likely, we're in a building block situation. So that's why I say we're seeing a little bit better numbers right now. If we can sustain going back into this 14 being the new high to the new low, 15 being the new high to the new low, 16 to the new high to the low, and we play around to where we get back to a 17, 18, and we're talking about a $20 zone here. And, you know, this is how things continue to build here. So I'm excited of what's coming here with First Republic Bank here. Friends, let me know what you think. Let me know what you're doing. It's okay to short sell. It's okay just to buy it and let it sit and wait for greener grass later down the road. Obviously, that's the smartest thing to do here. I just happen to be playing both hands at this point with it. Maybe I have a gambling problem. I don't know. I'll seek help. Friends, I will talk to you later. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.